Hi everyone, my name is Maria Carmen. Today I'm here to present one more proposal for Catalyst Fund 11 with Erick. This is the proposal Marlowe Enhanced. Hi Erick, how are you doing?
Yeah, thank you very much for inviting me to participate in this live and be able to share some amazing technology with the Cardano community.
That's no problem at all. And actually, if you have a proposal and you would like to present here in the channel, please get in touch. I will leave down below in the description the link for the proposals and more information so where you can get in touch with Erick. So let's dive in if you want to share your screen and
Okay, Maria, just to give some context to the Cardano community and explain what is the problem, what we are trying to solve, and what is the technology we are using. Right now, when you want to implement a smart contract, you need to program some smart contract using Haskell, icon that are already available on the Cardano community. But now there's new toolings that are being offered for all of us to be able to implement web platforms in a fast way and keeping quality and security as the main keys, right? So that's where comes Marlowe technology, right? And on where we're leveraging that technology to implement our applications so we can iterate faster and at the end offers a smart contract and solutions for end users that offers a broad scope of solutions. So normally when we were talking about Icon and Haskell, there is one smart contract, one specific platform that is developed during, let's say, depending on the size of the team, 10, 11 months. With Marlowe, at the end of the day, what we want to accomplish is being able to develop different smart contracts that solve different use cases, being able to iterate and implement that solution in a really short time. Let's say 1 month, 1 month and a half, and be able to scale by leveraging different developers. Since Marlowe, another scope of Marlowe is it's to embark new developers into the ecosystem. So at the end, with this platform, we're gonna be able to create new smart contracts, new developers be able to create new smart contracts that are gonna be able to implement that smart contract into the platform, and end users are gonna be able to choose from a broad options of smart contracts that is going to solve a specific end cases. So that's the main scope. That's the main problem that we try to solve with the Marlowe technology, right? Now going a little bit deeper into the technology, Marlowe Solutions offers right now two platforms that developers can use to use Marlowe technology to implement the smart contract. One is Playground. This is a user-friendly UI platform that you can program a smart contract using blocks. So we're not gonna go into much details how to program this, but you can see here a big picture how you using these blocks. There's different logic that you can implement, and at the end, the Marlowe Playground is going to offer you a JSON that you're going to be able to input that JSON into another tool that is called a Runner. So Runner, it's another platform performed by Marlowe team that you're going to be able to input your JSON and run that smart contract using blockchain. You can see here actions. These are really generic actions that depending on how many steps that a smart contract has, those actions are going to be popping up depending on the time and use cases. And in that way, you see that a developer is able to perform and implement a smart contract and deploy it on the blockchain. Nevertheless, as you can see here, this is more oriented for developers, right? An end user that doesn't have the knowledge how blockchain works, how to program smart contracts, they are pretty much not likely to design a smart contract and deploy it. So that's where we come. We want to use Marlowe technology to accelerate our development process, but at the end offer an end user a tailored smart contract that they are going to be able to use it in a friendly way. So instead of showing generic actions, the end user is going to be able to use a platform. They're going to be able to contact other users. They're going to be able to set up meetings. They're going to be able to put conditions into the smart contract, deploy the smart contract in a friendly way, and all the actions, all the steps during that process are going to be displayed on the smart contract on the platform in a really friendly way, and everybody's going to be able to see where the contract state is, what action have been performed by who, what actions are still pending to be performed, and in that way, end users that don't know anything about blockchain and they are used to interact with Web2 technology, they're going to be able to use these platforms, be able to perform use cases that were not able to perform before with the same level of security that blockchain offers using smart contracts. So that's the point, right, Maria? It's Marlowe, it's a really nice technology that is gonna let us perform really quick in 1 month, 2 months on a smart contract, and the end user is gonna be able to use these use cases in a really cheap way, right? Those smart contracts. Right now, Web2 technology, you have a lot of intermediaries, and that elevates the operational cost. Now, using those smart contracts, operational costs are gonna go really low. It's gonna open up use cases, and the trust issue that's not gonna depend anymore on really big entities, because trust comes with money and size, right? Really big companies, people trust in them because they have some stake on that company. Really small companies or really small team size teams, they usually they're really serious developers out there, but the end user is gonna trust them since it's a really small company. But now blockchain technology offers to offer those solutions where the money or the assets are gonna be on a smart contract. So the custody is not anymore on the business itself, but now the custody of the assets, the end users, is going to be held on the smart contract. So in that way, using Marlowe and blockchain, we are going to solve a lot of problems that were that elevated the cost before: security, transparency, and operational costs. So that's, Maria, the problem that we're going to solve. And well, any question, Maria, I will be happy to answer. And as you mentioned, anybody that wants to get in contact with me, I'm really open to answer any question. This is a really broad topic. I try to introduce the technology really quick, but there is a lot of points still to be explained, and I'm sure the end users are really excited to see these type of solutions being executed, and developers being interested on how to implement these solutions. And at the end, we're really open on partnerships and how and find ways to implement way much faster. So I'm really open for any feedback or any communication.
Thanks a million to take your time and coming to show your proposal for the community. Hope you get the funds and you get funded and you go and build the things you want to build, and that contribute with the community in some ways. We know that the cost of building is very expensive. we know that sometimes the tools are everywhere, not exactly in one place. So I see your proposal solving problems for the small business that could not afford all the complications of building a smart contracts themselves and hiring devs and things like that. Is that correct?
Yeah, Maria, that our main focus, and we are really happy to participate in this catalyst proposal and be able to solve so many issues in the Cardano community. Just one point that I want to mention. We are in constant communication with the IUG team. This proposal was formed during some development during 2023. Marlowe team were implementing the TypeScript SDK. So we are leveraging on those technologies, right? The libraries, on the runner, on the playground. So we put all these together. What Marlowe team is already offering, and these proposals came up from those ideas, from those partnerships, from those communications, and we're really happy to be able to offer this solution to the Cardano community, and let's see uh, let's see that everybody likes the proposal.
Sure. I see you next time, Eric. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Okay, Maria, thank you very much, and really nice talking to you.
Bye bye.